Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another how-to hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you a very quick and easy way to highlight your bundles of weave. I will be dyeing a 16-inch and an 18-inch. I also will be concentrating more color on the ends of the weave. You will need 50 volume developer, BW2 highlighting, plastic caps, rat tail comb, gloves, an applicator bottle, and you will need to cut the top off your applicator bottle, and you also need a hair dryer to put your bundles in. So first thing I'm doing, I am unraveling the weave, and it is already folded in half. But what I do is I will take that weave and then fold it another time into quarters. It just makes it easy and simpler when you are trying to dye your weave. Now you're going to lay your bundle flat and make sure that you smooth all the hair down in one direction. Next, you're going to get your applicator bottle and you're going to put in 3 scoops of the lightener. And make sure, guys, I didn't tell you in the beginning, have a little funnel. Buy a little funnel because I'm just squeezing it into the applicator bottle and that's kind of hard. But if you do have to do that, do it over the sink. And then the reason why you cut the top off the applicator bottle, you cut a bigger hole, is because this cream consistency is thick and will not go through the little top on the applicator bottle. Okay, so then once you pour in your 6 ounces of 50 volume developer, you are going to mix it. You put your top on and you're going to put your hand over the top of the applicator bottle, and then you're just going to turn it over and up, over and up. Do not shake the mixture, just turn it over and up until it is fully mixed, just like I'm doing right there. You never want to shake this mixture because it will explode. Okay, once you've got that all together, here comes the easy part. Now what you're going to do, once again, make sure your weave is flat, and you are basically just going to do lines where you want your streaks to go approximately. Start at the top of the weft and go all the way down to the ends. I am concentrating on the ends, so I'm putting more on the ends. If you do not want your ends to totally color, do not go all the way down to the bottom, because now you're going to take your tail comb and comb your line that you just did, comb it all the way down to the bottom, so that when you do your streaks, if you don't want more color on the bottom, the tail comb will just take a little bit to the ends and it'll still be streaked. But because I do want the ends of my hair to be totally colored, I took the lines all the way down. Okay, so now I'm going to just turn that over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Try to make sure your lines are in different order, not the same order that you did on the other side. See how simple this is, guys? This is so simple. Now, on that note, it's not going to be free from holidays and maybe small imperfections, but I promise you guys, when you install the weave, you will not see the little imperfections at all. Okay, so now you're just going to comb that through once again. Okay, make sure you got everything. And now I'm simply going to take it and carefully roll it up into a little roll. You'll see in just a second. Okay, as you see, I am gently rolling it so that the color does not bleed. And then I'm going to take it and fold it, carefully fold it, and put it in a, well, no, I didn't fold it. I just grabbed it up with the plastic cap. Put it in your plastic cap. And then I am going, well, this helps with the processing time. It quickens it. And then I am going to put it in my hooded dryer, the top part, as you will see. And this definitely speeds up the process. So I'm going to put that one in, and then I've already done one bundle. So I'm going to take that out and show you guys how I rinse and wash it. Okay, so when it comes out of the wash machine, be careful. I don't have my gloves on, but you guys should put your gloves back on because it is hot and it is still processing. It does not stop processing until you wash it. So now let's get it all rinsed and washed. Make sure, guys, when you are rinsing this, you are using lukewarm to cool water. And now we are just going to rinse all of the developer and the lightener out of the weave with, like I say, lukewarm to cool water. And this actually stops the lightening process. All right, guys, now you're going to grab your neutralizing shampoo, and we are going to neutralize the process of our coloring with the neutralizer shampoo. You are just going to rake this shampoo through the weave. You are not going to squeeze it and manipulate the weave too much, because you do not want the weave to get tangled. You can get a little not a rat tail comb. You can get a feather comb and feather it too. Once you have finished neutralizing it, you can just go through it now with a co-wash or a conditioner of your choice. And like I do the same thing, just comb it through, let it sit on there maybe like for 5 minutes, and then rinse it out again. Do not wring the hair. It looks like I'm wringing the hair, but because it's a little sped up, but I'm not. I am gently just getting the water out. Okay, now I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the other bundle I colored. It is very, very important, if you are using the dryer method to speed up the process of your coloring, that you keep an eye on the hair, because the lightening process goes super quick. And if you want to get some of the gold and yellow tones out of the hair, you should find a blue shampoo, a shampoo with a blue base. My client loves this color, so we're going to keep it the same way. I showed shimmering lights in the beginning, but that's purple base. You need something with a blue base, and this would be the time that you would just run that shampoo through, just to get some of the yellow and gold tones out. Now, as I said, I'm just co-washing the hair with conditioner, running that through, and like I said, you can leave that in for about 5 minutes and rinse the co-wash out. To make sure you do both bundles. All right, superstars, once you have thoroughly conditioned the hair, now you are going to dry it with a towel dry it, and just put it in the dryer. It is going to but it's going to be lighter when dried, as you will see later on my client. So now I'm just putting the weave inside of the dryer, turning it on. You can air dry it, but just know it's going to take all day if you air dry it. So I just throw mine in my little hooded dryer like so. And now I'm going to show you like the fully highlighted version up close. And like I said, I did her full ends. And now I'm going to show you the finished product after I have sewn it into my client's hair. And there it is. That is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I got a lot of videos for you to watch and see. And once again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.